Yeah, can you see the screen? Rashmi, can you see? Rashmi, you have to unmute yourself. Rashmi, you have to unmute yourself. Yeah.
Okay, I can see the screen and I'll start. Okay, so this is a classic case of a toothache. I'll try to explain to the best of my knowledge, though I'm sure that I won't be able to do it in a perfect way like Manish does. So anything is there, you all can ask me. So first of all, we got the date, time, and the place, and we made this. Then Manish compiled this for me, wherein these things, because I was trying to do it only with the Rashi chart and today's Gochar planets I placed on that, and the I have the MAPS, that is Mahadasha and all. So I was trying to solve with that. Then I got stuck, and then I called up Manish, and then he said, okay, we'll need all these things when we do it with the Potli theorem. So that is one thing which we all need to understand. Otherwise, in other, I think in other theorems or other thing, you can do with these three things as well. So when we start, we have to find two things. What is the Karak Tattva? See, the most important thing is that we have to find out the correct house. So in this case, since this is the toothache, so the house is going to be the second house because it's related to face. So the most important thing is the identification of the house. That is second house. Then as they say, as Manish keeps on saying कि the bomb गिरता है तो क्या क्या होगा. So पहले तो second house. Then यहाँ पर planet कौन सा है? तो moon. So we found the हमें victim समझा है क्या है. So this is the moon. अभी moon यहाँ पर बैठा हुआ है. Then another thing is the कारक planet and कारक house. So the कारक planet इसका क्या होगा toothache के लिए? So one is Saturn and another is Mars, because Mars and Saturn both are pain inducing. So Jupiter can also be, because Jupiter is karak of growth, and Ketu also because it is related to hole. So we have four planets which we know that they might cause toothache. So as of now, what we have in hand is we know the correct house and we have four possible culprits. Now we will start doing this. So the karak Mars, as it is creating pain, because जब pain बहुत तीखा होता है, then generally it's Mars. So we'll zero it down to we started with Mars first. Now there were ways of doing it. So first and the most important thing is the bottommost chart. I started with this, wherein I tried doing it with the Mars ko kis kis ka hit hai. So I noted down all those planets. Then I came to the house कि second house जो है ascendant जो है second house है उसको किस किस का hit मिल रहा है. So I noted down कि second house को hit है. Then first is second house has hit of Mars. Then second chart पे से हमने लिया, that means it says that Jupiter is hitting Jupiter to Sun का hit है, Sun to Jupiter का भी hit है, but then it doesn't make any sense क्योंकि we have to work on the MAPS. So we have to know, we should know. Then we have to work on the bottommost leftmost chart wherein it says that second house का साइन लॉर्ड क्या है, उसका स्टार लॉर्ड क्या है, और उसका सब लॉर्ड क्या है. So we got all these things. So हमें मिला Venus, Rahu and Mercury. So Rahu is again coming up as this and Mercury is coming. Then we have Mars, because Mars is we are zeroing on Mars. So Mars का साइन लॉर्ड जो है मार्स है, तो वो हो गया दैट इज व्हाट ही सेज इट इज अनअटेंडेड. Then it is Venus and it is Mars. Uska star lord is Venus and then it is Mars. So again we are iska jo hai, iska sub lord will become more important. So we are again getting Mars. Now just one second. Okay, so it means that we know again, if we'll correlate all these and we'll come down to the chart, so we realize that Mars is hitting to moon by No, I think I missed out saying few things because I wrote down so many things. I did actually ऐसे लगा वो एक एक planet को वो कर दिया है. Gochar, then I went to Gochar wherein I found that Sun is hitting Mars, Mercury, Sun and Saturn. Then ascendant is getting hit by Moon. Jupiter is hitting Moon and Mercury. Saturn is hitting Moon and Mercury. So we are again getting Moon, Moon, Moon. And then we know that Mars is hitting. So second house पे Moon बैठा है. So Mars is giving 180-degree hit to Moon. So initially I thought that I will shift the Moon. But then we have to shift the culprit. So we can move Mars to see Mars is now in seventh, eighth house. So we have to move it to 10th house. अभी 10th house में आ जाएगा तो उसका कितना हिट होगा 30, 60, 90, 120 हिट देगा. So 120 hit is a positive hit. So if we have to move Mars to 10th house, so 10th house का body part is knee and Mars का color is red. So red color का dot on knees will be the solution. Correct, Manish? Or I missed out on few things. Actually, I did a lot. I'm इधर उधर इधर इतना सारा लिख दिया इसको उसका hit इसको इसका hit. Though prima facie only I can make out that Mars and Moon का game है and then this need to be worked. But then I thought कि इतने सारी चीजें हैं तो सब पे काम करना चाहिए. सब I noted down everything.
Good
Yes,
attempt.
Manish.
Good attempt, but the problem क्या हो रहा है when we discuss it, I actually discuss various different angles.
Yes.
गड़बड़ हो रहा है. If you want, explain that. Should I go? Or you want anything else to explain करना है or I'll just explain how it is working. Should I explain? Can you hear me?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay. Now, just give me one. थोड़ा सा कम डाउन के लिए. Okay. Just one minute. Mars को ready as okay. Now, the problem was too thick. Okay. So first thing that we do is, along with this, find out what are the houses and what are the planets which could be involved. So basically, it is the second house which can be involved, and it will be most probably Saturn because that is the Karak of bones and it can also be Mars. Now, Saturn and Mars are also Karak of pain inflicting. So if it is a numb pain, it could be Saturn. If it's a sharp pain, it is Mars. Okay, so this is a general thing you to remember also. Basically, first thing when the problem came up or the issue came up, toothache, immediately second house, Saturn and Mars are picked up. Okay, so our main focus is as of now on this. Then we go to the dasha over here. So if you see Mercury, Mars, I think we are here. Where are we? ये 4 1 तक ये वाला है. So basically Mercury, Mars, Saturn, Ketu. Okay. So if you see Mars is coming very prominently. Mars over here, if you see, Mars is also untenanted. So Mars will give its own result also. Okay. And if you see here, Mars is seated in the 8th house, which is giving a 180-degree hit to second house. Right? see over here, checking out Mars, 180 degree opposition, 175 degree, right? So I have written the compound degree over here also, so you can calculate also. Now Mars over here, if you see, is Aries 17 degrees. So here it basically it is 17 degrees. 17 degrees in Aries will become 17 only. Right? 17 degrees in, so 192 minus 17, 175, which is what we got here. 175 over here, 175 degrees, correct? So 175 is within the orb of 88 degrees of 180 degree hit. So 180 degree hit we consider from 172 to 188. So it is right in the middle. So basically Mars hitting the second house plus Mars being in the what is it called Antardasha. Okay. And basically the onus is coming directly on Mars. You see. So Mars hitting at 180 degrees over here. Now at this point, what I wanted to explain was, I think I had explained it once earlier, but I'll just explain it to you. Let us say this is, let's say we're talking of 180 degrees or any hit for that matter. I'm drawing it graphically so that you can understand. Let us say this is 180 degrees. Okay. Now we are saying that the basic difference is 88 degrees from one side. So this is 172 on this side and this is 188 on the other side. Okay. Now this is one thing which you have to understand. Now, if you see this, let us say your hit at the moment is 176 or is 184, let us say. What I want you to understand is basically the hit escalates, hits the peak and comes down. So when you get a degree like let us say 177 or you get a degree like 186, if you get something like 177, it means that it is climbing up. It is going to still get worse. If you get 186, it means that the peak has already been reached and it is on the way out. Now from 177, from 177 to 180, कितना दिन लगेगा, that will depend on the planet. So for example, if it is, let us say sun needs 30 degrees आने के लिए 1 month. So 30 degrees के लिए 30 days, ये 1 degree per day, correct? So Venus, Mars, Mercury, not Mars, sorry, Mars is 49 days. Venus and Mars are 30 days. Mercury is 49 days. So roughly as of we can even calculate that it will be around 1 to 1.5 degree per day. So if you're at 177, so basically in 3 days, so that 3 degrees, that is roughly around 5 days, it will reach the peak, you can say. Or if it is 186, the difference is 3 over here. So you can say within around 5 days that by default, uska pain nikal jayega. So anyway, what I wanted to show is the acceleration or deceleration of the thing. Okay, that is what I wanted to show you. Now, so basically, if you see in very simple words, this hit from Mars going to the second house is the culprit. Now, how do we solve that? So basically, we take from the culprit backwards. Rashmi, just pay attention. This is what I was trying to tell you. 30, 60, 90, 120. So put the culprit over here. So culprit is here. Culprit will give 30, 60, 90, 120 ka hit. Did you understand? Another way of looking at it would be, यहाँ से यहाँ it is hitting a 180 degree hit. In the sense 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. If I were to start here, it would be 30, 60, 90, 120. Sorry. I started here. So either say 30, 60, 90, 120, 150 होता था. One more house I had 30, 60, 90, 120 hit with us. So you can see from whichever way you want. I normally look at it ulta. From the hit, I go back. So 30, 60, 90, 120. So if I put the culprit over here, it will give a 120-degree hit to the second.
Yes.
All of the clear in this, it's actually a very simple thing. It's not complicated anymore. This case is
Yes, yes. Manish, we have to explain that why we eliminated Saturn. See, we started with Saturn and then we eliminated Saturn, right?
so Saturn basically, if you go to see Saturn का अगर
Hmm.
you can do it by
Hmm.
you can do it by seeing it here itself. So basically, if you see
Hmm.
basically Saturn, if you go to see, Saturn is actually not hitting any house as such. That is the first thing. The second house is out of question. There is no hit on the second house. Now Saturn again, if you see here, Saturn is hitting Jupiter. इसका इसमें कुछ भी लेना देना नहीं है. Jupiter is not in any of the Mahadasha, Antardasha, Prati Antardasha. Neither is it what is it called Aspal sublord of the second house. Okay. Mercury. Mercury का नक्षत्र लॉर्ड भी देखो तो फिर राहु है. So that is also on Saturn is not coming into picture. So Saturn is nowhere into the picture. Very clearly we can see that Mars is hitting the second house. Okay. And you see from here, direct hit to the second house, direct hit to the moon. Well, if you see here, that's right. If you see here, Mars and Moon, can you see this? Mars and Moon in the natal chart, they are hitting each other at 181 degrees. So basically, Mars is hitting Moon, which is the second house ka planet. If you remember what I told you, whenever a house gets hit, the house gets hit, the Rashi Lord gets hit, the planet sitting in it gets hit, and the Kaspal sublord gets hit. So in this case, if you see the house is getting hit, correct? The planet sitting in it is getting hit. So out of 4, 2 are hit. So directly you can say that Mars is the issue. Okay. Have you understood? Have you understood the case? So again, I'll just repeat in simple word because even I got a little flustered while talking. Basically, when the issue comes, immediately try to identify which house is getting hit and what possibly planets could be hitting it. So toothache बोला तो head is 1, face is 2. ऐसा पकड़ लो तो face के अंदर आ जाता है. So second house is affected. You can see pain inflicting. First of all, what is ruled by the teeth are ruled by Saturn. So Saturn is bones and teeth. So Saturn came to my mind, our mind, and Mars came to our mind because Mars is a pain inflicting planet. Mars is also a pain inflicting planet. So basically, if you go to see, Mars and Saturn both could be the culprit. Now you need to see in the maps Mahadasha, Antardasha, Pratyantardasha or Sukshma Dasha also because it's a last 15 days से दुख रहा है उसको. So basically उसमें किधर भी Saturn नहीं आ रहा है या Saturn का नक्षत्र लॉर्ड नहीं आ रहा है या Saturn किसी का नक्षत्र बन के उधर बैठे वो भी नहीं आ रहा है. So Saturn is totally out of question. Correct? So the entire focus comes on Mars. Now if you study Mars from the Rashi chart and you study Mars from the red-green chart, basically you realize that Mars is giving a 180-degree hit to second house and it is giving a 180-degree to Moon, which is sitting in the second house. Correct? Plus, if you see in the maps, Mars is the A, the Antardasha is of Mars. Correct? So that is very clearly seen over there. Yeah, so basically coming back to the point, just the same protocol. If you just follow that protocol, you will get the answer immediately. First is understand what the issue is. As soon as you note down the issue, find out what the corresponding house is and the corresponding planets could be. Okay. Once you have got these two, go from left to right only the chart like how I made. Left may see in the maps which one of them is there. And always remember, whenever you see a planet, always see the nakshatra lord of the planet. Okay, ये formula proper दिमाग में रखी दो. It's very simple. For planet, you see the nakshatra lord. For a house, you see the sub lord. And since sub lord is also a planet, you see the sub lord ka nakshatra lord also. Okay. And the third thing is, which is actually the first thing, the 3-tier thing. Planet is the source, the nakshatra lord is the result giving planet, and the sublord is the taste of the result. Correct? So these three theorems or formulas वो एक complete दिमाग में रख दो because that is most important. Huh? So whenever you think of a planet, think of three things: planet, उसका नक्षत्र lord, and the sublord. उसी का that sequence which is there in the tabulation. And second thing what you have to see is whenever you see a planet, immediately think of the nakshatra lord also, because that is a result giving thing. Okay. So when you say that, okay, I'm looking at Jupiter, Jupiter may be the source, but the result might be given by Mars, let us say. So that. And third thing is whenever you're identifying a house का कस्पल sublord, the third column, राशि, नक्षत्र lord and sublord. The third column में वो जो sublord है उसको पकड़ लो. And sublord being a planet, वो planet का नक्षत्र lord भी देख लो. ये तीन चीजें अगर आ गई ना, तो mainly you'll be able to catch the culprit much easily. That is all that is. Okay. Any questions on the? You all can unmute now for 2 minutes if you want to have any discussion. We can have on this. If you all have not understood any point. हाँ बाबू.
Manish, upon that Mars, we move down to the 9th house, right? Sorry, 10th house, 10th house. So instead of going to 10th house, why didn't we not move it to the 6th house? Because it would still get 120-degree hit, no?
Take a minute. We moved it here, correct? Then we got 30, 90, 120 hit to the second house. If you had moved
Correct.
30, 60, 90, 120, this is a clockwise ulta jata hai. In South Indian chart, in North Indian chart,
so we have to go clockwise only. Okay. I got it.
Certain times hits like Saturn, these bigger planets ka hit, you can see ulta also. Like for example, if you see a 271 and all that, no, you'll realize that that is actually the ulta hit. But it is not ulta. As per Parashari, this thing, your Saturn has got additional hits also. You know, like 3, 7, 9 for Jupiter is there. Saturn is also, Mars is 4, 7, 10, so 4, 7, 8. So those are the additional hits are also there. So it will all boil down to the same thing. Okay, understood? So 1 minute, Rashmi, there was one mistake over here. Basically, we have put the Mars in this house to give a 120-degree hit over here. So you are not to put it on the knee, you have to put it on the third Rashi. Third Rashi is the aeroplane. Samjha kya?
Okay.
This one, Rashmi, you're mute.
Okay, but Manish, we'll see the house, no?
Never. That's what I told
No.
you. You're not looking at the house.
Okay.
Rashi. Only Rashis, only degrees.
Okay. Yes. So it will be Rashi. So third Rashi is going to be at the aeroplane. Okay.
Wrist that is. Okay.
Yeah, wrist पे buns के भी होगा.
Third is from this thing to this all the way to this.
To this. Okay. ठीक है, got it.
Now that 1, 2, 3 I've done a lot of parallel study and I finally come to one conclusion which I'm sharing with you all. Working of the experiment. आपको मालूम नहीं था ना कि 1 year 2 में गड़बड़ था. Basically finally 1 outing में ये छोड़ के बाकी का जो सीन है वो. So this skull is 1. This 2, which is the face of this 2. Neck is the neck, and this aeroplane is third. So if you remember long back, I had given a rough judgment कि 1 is Mars, Aries. So tapat hai, your head is the one where the fire is. So this is 1. 2 is equal to Venus, the beauty of it. So the beauty of the face is in the face itself. So that is 2. If you remember, around 2-3 months back, I had said that. And then I did this, what is it called, research across various this thing, books, bolo ya videos dekho what. So it has finally come to this. 1 is the head, 2 is the face, 3 is the neck se leke the aeroplane. Okay. Baki ka 4, 5, that detail is that I will give you some other details also in some time. I'll write it down and send it to you. Because even 5 is also related to heart. Like 4 is chest and lungs. 5 is heart. वो सब लिखा हुआ है मेरे पास. If you want, I can dictate it or I will write it down बाद में and I will send it to you. I'll just read it out to you. So head is 1. Okay. Face is 2. Third one is the aeroplane, including the neck and the throat. Fourth is chest and lungs. You can write it each below the other. I'll tell you, I'll dictate it right. One dash head dash sun. ऐसे लिखो. Sun is the
अनीश, आप मुझे भेजो, मैं टाइप करके वर्ड डॉक बना दूंगी.
I will send it. I will just now I just read it out quickly in one, and then I will give you this. So one,
Yes.
the thing is with the head, or the head is one first Rashi, sun, second and moon, third is aeroplane, and Mars and Venus both take care of that. Fourth is chest and lungs and Jupiter. I will give all that. You don't write now. You'll just listen. Fifth is heart and ovaries and pancreas and gallbladder and stomach. That all comes in 5. That is again ruled by sun. Okay. Sixth is the abdomen area, the stomach area, intestines and all. That is ruled by Mars. Spinal cord, back and hips, 7 mein aa raha hai. Okay. The organs and the hidden organs, the rectum and all that comes under 8. Thighs and all that will come Jupiter, 9. 10th is knees, Saturn. 11th is calf, Mars. And 12th is feet, Saturn. So वो है और उसके जो कारक तत्व planets are there, no? That also has a good meaning. Like for example, head is sun. That is actually your main vitality. So 1 equal to head equal to sun. Okay, so that relates. Moon is the, in a way, the beauty of it. So 2, face, ruled by moon. 3, aeroplane. Aeroplane is where your hands and limbs are, which is where the action is. So action is basically Mars. So Mars comes in, and Venus also they are given 3 because that Rashi again comes over there. So 3, aeroplane, Mars and Venus. 4th is chest and lungs is Jupiter. Jupiter, when I was studying Lal Kitab, I understood that Jupiter they call Hawa. Hawa is Jupiter. So lungs and all that entire area has got Hawa. So basically 4th is chest and lungs ruled by Jupiter. 5th is heart and ovaries and pancreas and gallbladder and stomach, that entire zone.